1, 2, 3. But the earth is boring. How about a trip? We'll pack our suitcases just like when we were kids. And we don't care about the fact that others think that we are stupid. Well, come fly with me to the moon. It doesn't matter what our friends say. Come with me. I don't want to be lonely. What do we need? The moon's made of cheese.